Welcome to How to 360's Kitchen Creations. Today we're making the perfect classic French toast, crispy on the outside, soft and custardy inside. Here's what you need. 6 slices of bread, 3 large eggs, half a cup of whole milk or half and half, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar if you like it a bit sweeter, a pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Oh, and don't forget the optional toppings like maple syrup, berries, or powdered sugar. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl, add half a cup of milk, vanilla, cinnamon, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Dip each slice of day-old bread into the custard for 5 to 7 seconds per side, just long enough to soak through. Alright, let's get started by heating a skillet over medium heat. Then go ahead and melt a tablespoon of butter until it starts to foam. Cook each slice for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden and crisp. Stack your French toast, drizzle with maple syrup, and top with fresh berries or a sprinkle of powdered sugar. Perfect texture and flavor. If you love this, hit like, subscribe, and comment your favorite topping below. All ingredients and cooking directions are in the description below. Subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.